Craving that perfect home-cooked bindi aloo? Let's get cooking. The secret is the prep. I use 250 grams of fresh, dried ladyfingers. Cut them into large chunks and match them with thin potato wedges for even cooking. Want to level up your sabji? I am making a killer potato and okra stir-fry. First, get your pan hot. I use mustard oil for that authentic punch. You will know it is ready when you feel the heat. Now, let's talk spices. If you want the perfect roasted potatoes, you have to start with the aromatics. I toast cumin seeds until they sizzle, then drop in chopped onions and fresh garlic. Stir these on medium heat. It is all about building those flavor layers. Now toss in your potatoes, crank the heat, and let them get friendly with the onions. The secret to perfect golden potatoes? Fry them together for a few minutes. The onions caramelize perfectly right alongside the potatoes. Keep the heat high for that sizzle, but move fast. Constant stirring prevents any sticking. Want that perfect golden glow? Here is my secret. After frying for a minute, it is time for the magic touch. I add half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt. Just watch that color pop. The trick is roasting turmeric with the potatoes to bring out that deep, vibrant yellow. Keep stirring until they are coated. You need to try my crispy aloo bildi. I start by sautéing potatoes with turmeric until they're soft. Keep the heat medium and let those onions get nice and fragrant. Now for the best part, I toss in the okra. I crank the heat to high and keep it moving so it doesn't get sticky. Still getting slimy okra? The biggest hack is making sure your okra is totally dry before cooking. I stir these frequently so they don't stick or burn at the bottom. Now lower the heat and fry them uncovered to get that perfect golden color. Forget those boring side dishes. I start with a sizzling base of hing and cumin to get those flavors popping. Toss in your onions and garlic. I wait for that perfect gold before the potatoes join in. Now add the potatoes. High heat is my secret for a crust while they mix with the aromatics. Time for the okra. I sauté them together until they're vibrant and just starting to soften. Now for the magic. Coriander powder, red chili flakes for a kick, and earthy cumin powder. You cannot beat the sound of sizzling okra and potatoes. My secret? Keep stirring so they get perfectly tender and golden. I let it steam until it's just right. Now for the flavor bomb. In goes amchur for a tangy kick, then a pinch of aromatic garam masala. Look at how crispy this aloo ben is. My secret is roasting them open for a bit so they never get soggy. I keep flipping everything frequently so the spices toast up without burning on the bottom. After 5 minutes of browning, the texture is honestly just spot on. Looking for the ultimate food community? Well, you finally found your people. I'm talking epic recipes, daily food inspo, and so much love from foodies everywhere.